Yes, I did. I'm glad me a part of that history. When me a youth and me a go to school, and we a read about Bob Marley, and we a hear about Bob Marley, and we a hear about Marcus Garvey, and we a hear about Paul Bogle, and we a hear about everybody. And this is history. And some of my man them went up in a jail, prison, whatever the situation is. See? Yes, when you write the book, make sure you write and talk about me in the book, you know. The people who will write the history. Because Kartel, this is history. I'm glad me a part of it. I'm glad and happy knowing that you make me be a part of it. As the lead man on the stage, as the host. We run out. Play the music them. Keep up the energy. Put the energy in the crowd. Get the vibes are going. Kartel, them have to write about you because this is history. You rewrite back the book when me da read about Paul Bogle, Sam Shark and Nani and Martin Luther King and you get me? But Kartel, them can't go around this. It's a history out. See? I mean say, who is the king of dancehall? Yes, I did. A history this. Jamaica. My Jamaican people, whether you say Gaza, Gully, or anything what you want to say, Alliance, anything what you want to say, this is our history. Vybz Kartel was sent and the man beat the case, come back out, serve, come back out, all of them served 13 years with Shamsan, Matsu, Skyron, you know, and the man come back out, big show, visas, to go America, buy house, mansions, people, you know the Virginia, the youth here, the man here, the general here, the troops here, people who talk about this as a Jamaican and as Jamaican people. We forget the Virgin in ratings. Kartel, you create history. I don't see nobody do this. Sell out Barclays 2 times. You tour down the whole America. Every arena, not marina, every arena you sold out. You get them I deal with? Every venue across the Caribbean you sold out. Nobody know do this. So who else is the king of dancehall? You come create something different when you come create something different when the other set of youth them have got to do. Because you surpass Kartel, you surpass all of the artists them way do this before, you know, all those are youth always show respect to them, you know. See, I want to surpass and not disrespecting in no way. But all of them who before you will create them history. You surpass them with a different thing, you know. Sold out arena, come out, collect the most fee as an dancehall entertainer, size up yourself, and I show them say, other genre you're supposed to run dancehall long time, around the world long time, not dancehall. Dancehall are the happiest area when it come on to music. People love music in a all format. One of the easiest music, and we go around the world long time. So, not because someone don't like Kartel and Trinidad prison. All like great man them go prison. Carl Jesus go prison. Martin Luther go prison. I want to rate him. See? All I man them want to rate. Mandela go prison, I want to rate him. Marcus Garvey go prison and him, I want to rate him. So when I say, be a great man go prison. Because people, there's nowhere in this world here. People are going to love you. Just so. They have to hate you. For history create. I don't see nobody with them love. There's nobody with them love in the world when you can't tell me someone love them and have no hate for them. So Kartel, if them hate you, as you come out to the big music, God is the greatest. See, all of them are free, you still love them, you just go and show love. Adi, you're the greatest in my era. And it's going to continue. Adi, hey, I'm not lie you. I still tell you thanks because I don't know about no boy. I still tell you thanks because you never owe me nothing. But I did turn up the same way. Because you're youth to me rate from long time musically. And you're youth to me rate naturally. A long time you support me. A long time you sponsor me. Me one of the first set of person who give you award. Me give you award. Me, D-Dog, Cassie and Gary Maniac award you. I'm the first person award everybody as entertainer in a Portmore Highway. Spice, you Kartel. You understand? Daddy Vip. All of them, Beaky Bailey, Zane, Ricky General. All our people in a Portmore Award. Where we keep. So, it's a journey. And right now, the journey with me, you and Spice is a great look. And I'm going to say again, me and Spice would have a problem and you fix it, Addy. You squash it. You fix it. So, you know, you don't know. Respect you. And some people are going, they don't want to respect you. Yeah, and I pay love your show. Because you look at you, them on and having a look at difference. You don't really have no difference with people, but you don't know. You're a leader. And every leader, if you can see that, Putin, Donald Trump, Obama, everybody will become a leader if you have a problem with somebody. So, nobody no different for you. Not even government of Jamaica different for you. Because Andrew Wallace, the people hate him too. I like him. I like government. Bruce Golden, people hate them, I like them. Portia Simpson, people hate them, I like them. So nobody no did because them a shit and piss and poop and everything. Every buckler thing. You're a general. And every man of you have a leader. And God put you there as our leader to lead. You're my general. I don't care when a boy or a girl or anybody wants to say, me rate you. You get me a deal with? Yeah. And yesterday me rate you. And the money ratings. And ratings from long time. From your broken down nothing. We rate you. Zane? Yeah. So, right now, you see me a struggle. And you say, Nuffy, you have to dip on the team. And you make me dip on the team. No care what's the situation. You make sure say Nuffy dip on the team. So big up the whole team. Bright Light, big up. Money. Tigo. Chanstorm. Chanachin. Big up. Big up your wife, see them, you know. Big up your two sons, them, you know. Little Addy and little Vybz, you know. DJ, Scatter. Aishana. See? Lend him a tick. Lend them the hatchet. See? Yeah. That's the thing there, you know. Sure. Renee 630. See? Harvey. Top security. Liar. Jason. Yo, the team big. Addy. I don't know about nobody, you know. And the boy can't chat to me. Kawa. Every minute at the moment, me get to show you the love and the respect, me and make sure say, me give it to you, because guess what? As me say it already, them bench me. And you rise me, them bury me. And you rise me, you come dig up my grave. And rise me back. Me I tell you, Addy, me I want to youth them where you put food on the table. Me appreciate that because some stay for a long time. Every day and then we tell you a son of a stay. Tommy Thompson we tell you a son of a stay. Bright Light. Is a youth where me appreciate people and me appreciate the people do for me and me respect people. Me is a youth me have respect. And you have me on the forefront and brighten up the prospect and the movements of people that tour you. Now we are going around Europe, around England, everywhere, Germany, everywhere. And Addy, I make it personal and they say, yo, enough if you're there. Addy, big up yourself again. Big up, yo. I don't know about nobody, you know. I don't know about nobody. But me, I make you know. Me. The entrepreneurs here, I appreciate your youth. I appreciate love your youth. Me, I make them know that personally. Adi, listen to me. You're like a Marcus Garvey. You're like a Paul Bogle, a Taki. Zin. You're not a woman, but the strength of Nanny. Zin. Mandela. Martin Luther. Name all these great men. All these great men that we talk about and read about. I'm glad me a part of that history. Jamaica and the government of Jamaica, me a call for again in account. Listen to me. Andrew only say like me no want you think you different from nobody, you know, and when name Mark Golden, if you come and become the Prime Minister. You know, just a man just like me. Mr. Blake, big up, you know. Yeah, because you go out there, you do a good job down at Jamaica. The police commissioner, big up yourself, Blake. Mr. Blake, big up yourself. Any boy we are going at them a ground yard, a gunshot. Yeah, Andrew, you're no different from nobody. Mark Golden is different from nobody. I don't want to go on like no different from nobody. Show Adi love and give him respect. Because history this. The greatest them go to prison. Andrew, you read about Marcus Garvey and Marcus Garvey go to prison too. Andrew, you read about Nelson Mandela and them come from prison. And government acknowledge him before you become the Prime Minister, you acknowledge him and a prison him to death. So not because you don't know Adi and him grew up in a PMP area. My mother labor right. But me not do in politics, me not like politics. So me not do it none at all. But me have to respect the government if you are the government. But when you do good, you do good, and when you do bad, you do bad. So me say Andrew Holness and Mark Golden, opposition leader Mark Golden and Andrew Holness the Prime Minister. I want to acknowledge Vybz Kartel. Because the movement says great. That's the youth them of Jamaica can look up to somebody. Because when I go on like say, prison did make for that. Prison never make for that. Why want to make prison? There must be human being. Andrew can go to prison too. Mark Golden can go to prison too. If Marcus Garvey is bigger than Uno. And Bob Marley bigger than Uno. See? Mandela bigger than Uno and he go to prison. I'm sure of that. And Marcus Garvey go to prison. The greats them go to prison. So what I say? Hear me I say, Adi, the king of dancehall will be crowned on a Sunfest.